Hello folks, time for another daily vlog. Tuesday afternoon, very late afternoon, almost time to shut up shop now. Right, where are we? So, that one there, that's all back together. We're just struggling with certain parts at the moment. The customer wanted a new one of these, can't get them, and he also wanted 25mm spacers just to bring those wheels out a bit more, can't get them. Had to wait ages for these door top mouldings, so yeah, all a bit of a pain at the moment with things like that, but that is now ready and I'll be giving the customer a call. Roy's giving it a clean. I think he did let's just check the engine bay. I think he gave that a bit of a clean out because it got a bit dusty while it was in the workshop. So yeah, it's giving that a bit of a spruce up. So yeah, pretty much ready to go. This one Roy had on his ramp and started, and we're waiting for the seals to come in, which I think are going to arrive in tomorrow. So Roy will probably crack back on with that tomorrow. Chris's car, RS. I've had a conversation with the customer about this one this afternoon. It's failed on quite a long list of rear sort of seal and arch repairs, so I think we're gonna buy the car off of him, I think, and then it's probably going to be broken, unfortunately. Bit of a shame, but that's the way it is sometimes. Not a lot else to talk about out here. Don't know what that one's in for. Need to check that. Right, let's see what everyone's up to in the workshop. Bit of noise going on in there at the moment, I think, as usual. We've now got a roof for this, so I think Chris is fitting that right now. I'm Roy. Right, chaps.
Afternoon.
What are we doing?
Loads a little bit on this one. So we're just checking over the bonnet catch. It's a bit rough when you start it closing to make sure it engages properly.
Okay.
I've just adjusted the driver's door because it wasn't closing very nicely.
Right.
So I've just done that. Just little
Lots of odds and sods.
Yeah, it's
sort of a bit of servicing and a bit of this and that.
Had the brakes apart and inspect them.
Right.
Just advisors on MOTs and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, just working
cool.
away for it. So, nothing too exciting.
Nothing much to talk about, really.
Not really.
Alright, thanks for that. We'll go over to Chris and then we'll go back to Ashley. Found a roof, Chris.
Yeah. We weren't sure we were going to get the roof in time, and then we actually found a mohair with glass somewhere.
Buried in our stockroom.
Yeah, which is weird. It's sort of like, it's not the sort of thing that you just sort of like misplace. A mohair with glass, so
yeah,
that was good. So yeah, I'm just in the process of putting this on, and then we can get it on the Laguna Blue one.
over there.
Yeah. So that'll be. So this is all done.
So BBR, what's left on that?
MOT.
Just MOT.
Yeah, so I've redone.
So what did you do? What happened with the rad? Oh, I can't really show it. Maybe we'll be able to show it in another video, because I think the last time we were talking about it, you just, well, we can see it through there, yeah, but we can't see the and new rad.
Yeah, we saw about how the old one wore, didn't we?
Yeah.
In yesterday's video about how the intercooler had worn through the rad.
Yeah.
That's the new rad that's been fitted, and everything's been readjusted and aligned, and yeah.
There'll be a lacquer peel on the front bumper.
Yeah.
It's a shame.
Yeah, quite a bit.
Yeah.
And also, so what else did we do? So the octane switch has been labelled up, and now he knows how that works.
So yeah, so BBRs back in the day, they had a
95, 98.
Yeah. So it doesn't actually make any difference, but they do have a switch inside.
Must have time it.
Yeah, it's all you can do.
It must have been allowed to give it just a slightly more.
But they don't boost enough for timing to be a problem anyway.
So it was either timing, or did it allow it to boost a little bit more?
No, because you can't get any more than the minute you go 6 psi.
Yeah,
they boost. They fuel up.
Yeah.
So yeah,
so timing.
Yeah, there's a switch in the centre console in the pocket between the seats, and it just shorts to earth.
Shorts to earth, and that means that you use on the right up like 98, so it'd be like I think it's like 99 now, isn't it? Everywhere 98, 99, 97.
Like 99, yeah. Well, depending on where you get it from, but
just leave it in that.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
That was all part of because the BBR turbo kit was sold through the dealerships, and you did still get. That's probably helps quite a lot. I wonder if they can hear any of that. It's probably just a bit loud. Anyway, yeah. So it was all sold for the UK dealerships, UK market only, and it did come with warranty. So I guess they needed that switch thing to make sure it didn't cause any problems. But they don't pink anyway.
So
they don't boost enough.
Rear brakes.
Oh,
no.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Rear brakes. So grease the rear brakes up, and then that's it. Booked an MOT, which is going to go for in a minute. I think it might need a new battery as well because it doesn't hold a charge. But I am currently charging it.
All right. Can I go now?
Yeah. See you later. See you later, YouTube.
See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching.
It's been emotional.
A little spot.
How you getting on?
Yeah, slowly but surely getting there.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's looking all right?
I don't let it go, otherwise it's going to
Fall off. Cool. And then this is rear arches as well. This one, I think. But that's another day, another job.
Yeah.
They don't look bad though. Oh, there's only one. Oh, okay. That's probably why that one looks all right. Oh yeah, this one looks a lot more suspect. Yeah, so we'll be doing that. Let's go around there as well. Right. I think that's probably it. Not a great deal on that one. Not much going on really that's, that interesting. But that's just the way it is sometimes. Alright, so see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Oh, hang on, I'm being shouted at. What's up? Oh yeah. That's probably sorry, Ash. Wasn't intentional. How you doing, Ash?
Yeah, we're doing alright.
Alright, I hope you've got something really important to say now. I've come all the way back.
No, you can go back outside.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, cracking on then.
Yeah.
That's looking nice. Invisible repair. Even in the bare metal. I like that.
I mean, it's not brown, so you can see it's been...
I've got bits of rust falling on my head. What's going on there?
That's my backup.
Do you need it? Right. It's gone dark. Okay. I think you missed a bit though.
Yeah, that's on the to-do list.
Okay. Next time.
Yeah, next time.
Alright.
Tune in next episode.
Okay. Well, you might, hopefully tomorrow you'll have a seal and you'll be able to finish that off.
Yeah. All the internal stuff's done at the front end. Just got a few bits to do at the back, but we can't really...
You need the seal for that, don't you?
Yeah, it lines up.
So yeah, when you can't really put the sill end plate in without having the seal first because you can end up getting it in the wrong place. So I'm assured they're going to arrive tomorrow, so we can crack on.
Yeah.
Okay, Ash.
Alright.
Sorry about that. Okay, we really are going this time. Catch you on the next one. Bye.